The next part I'll be making is part 7, the linkage arm. So I'm first going to draw these two circles. It says that this circle has a radius of 0.1875 and they're 3.5 inches apart. So I'm going to start a sketch, click a plane, do a circle. It said the radius was 0.1875, so I'm going to multiply that by 2 since I'm getting the diameter. I'm going to go ahead and do another circle over here that's also going to be the same measurement. Okay. Now that we have those circles, I'm going to dimension between them from the center of that one to the center of that one should be 3.5. Then I'm going to do a rectangle that's going to go, if you look, the rectangle goes from this circle all the way over to this one. I'm going to do I guess I'll just do this 2-point rectangle. Okay. Then if I look at that circle, it's 0.25, or the rectangle is 0.25 tall. Okay. Then I'm going to extrude it 0.125. I'm just going to click everything I drew, hit OK, and then it looks like there are actually 0.128 circles through the center of both of the other circles. So I'm going to start a new sketch on here. I'm going to do a point in the center of that circle and a point in the center of that circle. And do a hole. It says the hole's just straight through, all the way through. And it says it's 0.128. So I'm going to go point. .128. It missed that one, so let's see. I'll get my sketch back. I'm going to turn that sketch on and grab this last hole. And then hit OK. So that is part 7, linkage arm, so go ahead and save that. I am not going to be doing part 3, the hitch magnet. That's just a couple circles. It tells you their diameter, and you're just going to extrude the in between the two circles, so I think y'all can handle that.